Hi lovely people, welcome once again to Learn with Hassan, and today I'm here to teach you how you can block people from adding you to a group or groups in Telegram or on Telegram. So let's open our app. At the upper left corner, the menu symbol there, let's tap on it and let's tap on settings, and we look for privacy and security. We tap on it, then we go for channels and groups, or groups and channels. So this is where we hide, or this is where we block people from adding us to groups. So first, ours is set onto everybody. It means that everyone is allowed to add us to whatever group that they have, and we don't want that. We can come to the second option, which is my contacts, and this will allow only your contacts, only the people you have as your contact, to add you to groups. And as well, you can further block a lot of people from doing that at the exception. Add exception at the bottom down there. You can see we have allow always. Allow always will allow people to always add you to groups. So when you select these people or this contact, it means that you are giving them the privilege of adding you to a group whenever they like, and the rest wouldn't be able. And when you come to the second option at the exception, under the exception, we have never allow. And when you go to never allow, it means that the accounts over here, the one you select will never be able to add you to a group. They will never be able to add you to a group. And I think these are the settings that will help you. So after you have done with all the settings that suits you, at the upper right corner there's a tick sign over there. Then you tap on that one, and all your settings or whatever settings you did here will take effect, and you are good to go. So this is how you set, or this is how you block people from adding you to groups and channels on Telegram. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to the channel, and as well share the video for others to also watch it. And also please whatever you have, please leave it at the comment section below and I'll attend to it. Please and please again, help us to grow. Thank you for watching. Until we meet again, bye bye.